Hello friends, welcome to Rayat Online School Education Project. Myself, Kamle AS from Karmavir Bhavrao Patil Junior College, Queens. Today we will study the 12th standard chapter number 13, Organism and Population. In that organism and population, various terms are included. First one, organization of world. How the organization of world takes place. So, yeah, at first, the living world is formed by the smaller molecules, and the smaller molecules is collectively and form the whole ecosystem. Then first the macromolecules form the cells. Cells is a structural and functional unit of life. Cell is a basic smaller part of this body, and these cells are grouped, and these are form the uh, tissue. Then our body is formed by number of tissues, and these tissues are form the organ. So the organ means the like that forelimbs, hind limbs, our systems are collectively formed, and they form the organism. The individual organisms are collectively formed by the whole type of organs, different type of organs, and the number of organisms are present in this area and form the populations, and the populations are formed by the communities, and these communities are present in that habitat natural systems. They form the ecosystem, and in that ecosystem the living organisms as well as non-living organisms. That's why the ecosystem, in that ecosystem abiotic and biotic factors are included. Biotic means the living organisms. All living organisms included in the biotic factor, and non-living organisms are present in the abiotic factor. And the abiotic as well as biotic factors are collectively form the natural system, is called as a ecosystem. Then what is ecology? Ecology means it is a study of interaction between organism and environment. The ecology term is used by writer and introduced by the Haeckel. Then the ecosystem depends upon the two parts. First one is seasonal changes, and second is regional and local variations. In that, the seasonal changes means the rainy season, summer season, winter season. These are changes are present in this ecosystem, and the surrounding area, and in that surrounding area the different types of changes are present. So it is called as a regional or local variations. So the in that ecology, the uh, organism is first or basic unit are present. These are unit of ecological hierarchy. and the organism is inhabiting and geographical area which constitute the population, and the population is several populations of different species in a particular area constitute the community, and in that community they interact between one another of several ways of this organism is called as a community, and these community are present in the biome, and a biome means the constitute constitutes of a large regional terrestrial unit limited by specific climatic zone having various vegetations of zone. Plant communities also, animal communities are present in that biomes, biodiversity are present in that biomes. These terms are used in organism and population. So what is a habitat? Habitat means the organism is how to adapt and survive. The organism is called as a habitat, and the surrounding area of the organism is called a habitat. The habitat is, in that habitat, the arboreal, terrestrial, aerial and aquatic forms are present. So what is the arboreal? In that arboreal, the uh, animals are living on a tree is called as a arboreal, and the terrestrial is called as terrestrial means the animals are present in the on the land. Then third one is a aerial. Aerial means the like that the birds they are present or flying in the air or in the sky is called as a aerial condition, aerial habitat, and fourth one is called as aquatic. These animals are present or living in the water system is called as a aquatic habitat. So four types of habitats are present in the organism and population. In that habitat, uh, the next part is present is called as a Nike. So what is a Nike? The Nike is a concept of survival of an organism in the environmental condition is called as a Nike. The Nike is term used firstly by the J. Grinnell in 1917. So the which difference in between Nike and habitat? So firstly, habitat in that habitat is an area where species interact with other factor. habitat मध्ये जे स्पेसीज आहेत त्या स्पेसीजमध्ये इंटरॅक्शन जे केलं जातं त्या अदर ऑर्गॅनिझमशी अदर फॅक्टर्सशी इंटरॅक्शन केलं जातं. and in that Nike is a concept how an organism survive in environmental condition. म्हणजे नायकेमध्ये जे ऑर्गॅनिझम आहे त्या ऑर्गॅनिझम त्या आहे त्या एन्व्हायरमेंटल कंडिशनला कसं सर्वाईव्ह राहायचं हे या नायकेमध्ये बघितलं जातं. Then second point in that habitat, it consists of numerous Nikes. The number of Nikes present in this habitat, but in that Nike it do not contain such components, do not नायकीमध्ये मात्र अशा पद्धतीचे वेगवेगळे कॉम्पोनंट्स प्रेझेंट असत नाही. देन थर्ड पॉईंट इन दॅट हॅबिटॅट इज इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर, rainfall and other abiotic factors are present in the habitat. In that Nike, the flow of energy from one organism to other. नायकेमध्ये मात्र जी एनर्जी आहे ती एनर्जी फूड वेबच्या पद्धतीसारखं एका ऑर्गॅनिझमकडून दुसऱ्या ऑर्गॅनिझमकडे ट्रान्सफर केली जाते. त्या पार्टला आपण नायके असं म्हणतो. देन फोर्थ फॅक्टर ऑफ हॅबिटॅट इज इट सपोर्ट्स द नंबर ऑफ स्पेसीज. हॅबिटॅटमध्ये जी कंडिशन आहे ती नंबर ऑफ स्पेसीजला सपोर्ट करत असते, पण नायकेमध्ये इट सपोर्ट्स दी सिंगल स्पेसीज ॲट अ टाईम. नायकेमध्ये मात्र फक्त एक सिंगल स्पेसीजला एका वेळेस फक्त काय केलं जातं, सपोर्ट केला जातो. देन फिफ्थ इज हॅबिटॅट इज अ फिजिकल प्लेस. हॅबिटॅट म्हणजे जो सराउंडिंगला आढळून येणारा जो एरिया आहे त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड असलेला पार्ट आहे, म्हणून त्याला आपण हॅबिटॅट म्हणतो. आणि नायकेमध्ये मात्र ॲक्टिव्हिटी ही दाखवली जाते. म्हणजे इट इज ॲन ॲक्टिव्हिटी परफॉर्म्ड बाय ऑर्गॅनिझम. त्या ऑर्गॅनिझमद्वारा जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी केली जाते ती ॲक्टिव्हिटी परफॉर्म केली जाते, दाखवली जाते. सो last point of this habitat is it is a not specific species. हॅबिटॅटमध्ये मात्र जे स्पेसीज आहे ती स्पेसिफिक अशी स्पेसीज नाही आहे, पण सगळ्या त्याच्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड केल्या जातात स्पेसीज, म्हणून इथं इट इज अ नॉट स्पेसिफिक हा पार्ट येतो. आणि नायकेमध्ये मात्र इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक. स्पेसीज जशा बदलतील तशी त्याची जी एनर्जी ट्रान्सफॉर्म करण्याची जी पद्धत आहे ती मात्र बदलते, म्हणून इट इज अ स्पेसीज स्पेसिफिक. सो these 6 points are included in the differentiation between habitat and Nike. So next part is types of Nike. Types of Nike मध्ये आपल्याला 3 टाइप्स मेनली बघायला मिळतात. हॅबिटॅट नायके, ट्रॉफिक नायके अँड मल्टी डायमेन्शनल नायके. या हॅबिटॅटमध्ये आपल्याला सराउंडिंग